Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and today we have two special friends with us who are going to introduce themselves.
Hi, my name's Haley. I'm a student at Lesley University.
Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a student from BU studying child life.
All right, so welcome to another one of our craft videos. And what are we going to make today, Gail?
Today we're making something called crumpled paper art. Here's two samples that I did.
All right, and here's two samples that I did.
Nice.
All right, so before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques. And so what we're going to do today is a breathing technique that's related to our crumpled art paper. So we're going to breathe in and pretend we're crumpling our paper. So we're going to breathe in and then breathe out and pretend we're unfolding it and flatten it out. Okay, so let's do it again. Breathe in, breathe out. And one more time, breathe in and breathe out.
I love that one. Feel more relaxed. And I'm going to just explain how we chose this craft today. It's based on a story by Peter Reynolds, and I'm just going to quickly tell you about the story. And it's called The Story of Ish. And in it, Ish is a little boy named Ramon, and he loves to draw, but he loses his confidence when his picture gets laughed at by his older brother. And so over and over, he crumples his drawings and he just tosses them on the floor, and he's ready to give up on art. But his younger sister has been secretly collecting the crumpled paper and drawings, and she displays them and hangs them up. And she is teaching Ramon that art isn't about being perfect, but it's about thinking more ishly. And so that's the story of Ish.
I love that, because so many times we think our art isn't good and we just want to, I've done that, I want to like just tear it up or throw it out, but
yep, no right or wrong.
That's great. So what supplies do we need for today?
Okay, so today we're going to need white construction paper, watercolors, a paintbrush, and scissors. Okay, so we're ready to start. Peggy, what's the first step?
All right, so you want to get your construction paper, and you can, if you have a large piece, you can cut it down in half or smaller, whatever size you want, and you can use white paper. You can also try, last night I couldn't find white paper, so I used like yellow paper. So you can experiment with it. Okay. So the first step we're going to do is just not crumple it too tight, but just kind of crumple it together.
Okay.
All right. And then you have your watercolors and your water. And you're just going to dip your paintbrush into one of the colors. And you're going to paint on the outside, wherever it's any of the parts that you can see.
Yeah, and you can just like, I just sort of dotted mine around. You can do it however you want.
Right. Right. What's nice about this is it doesn't have to be perfect.
Nope.
At all. Like there's no like neatness, or you're just kind of painting all around.
And on mine, each step I'm leaving a lot of white spaces. And so I'm going to be ready now to open mine and see what I've got so far. So here's what I have so far. How are yours coming?
I'm going to still paint some more on the outside, and then I'll open it up.
Okay.
Can we do another color?
Yeah, the next step is going to be, you're going to crumple it again. Okay. And the parts that you still see that are white, you can add your next color to.
Great.
Haley, how's yours coming?
Got some blue going on. Just a couple little spots.
Nice. And then you can re-crumple it.
I like that. So mine's kind of pink purple.
Nice. I did mine, the other ones with 3 colors, and I think I'm going to use 3 colors on this one. And so I just did some orange. And you can see what that looks like so far.
Love that.
Thank you.
It's kind of a little bit like tie-dye.
It comes out looking like tie-dye. I love it. Sam, how's yours coming so far?
I love it. I'm gonna add some purple, I think. I have orange, pink. It's a little light. Maybe I should add more color.
Sure, add whatever you want.
Got 3 colors in so far.
And I'm going to show you while we're continuing our painting, what you can do when it's all done. I cut out a piece of my finished crumpled art and I put it on like some just cardstock and to make like a card out of it. So
That
or
looks
you
great.
could use it as like for some collage material.
You can hang them all or put them up on a wall.
Right.
Maybe make a card for a friend.
That's a great idea. I think that if a friend received this card, they would so love it. That's such a good idea.
Exactly.
So here's mine so far.
Wow, I love that.
I like
Thank
it.
you.
So pretty.
Thanks.
Here's mine.
Nice. I love your color.
Yay.
I'm gonna do another color and I'm gonna do, you just went like this, Gail, rather than painting?
I'm just dotting it when it's folded. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do that with my next
Really?
color.
Oh, nice.
I'll recrumple mine.
I know.
I know, I just had to do that.
Yeah, after each round, what is nice to do is flatten it out and then you can see where your white spots are and then you just recrumple it.
So I started using orange, but actually it's mixing with the other colors and becoming green.
Whoa. Wait, I love green. I think I'm gonna add green to mine.
All right, I think this is gonna be my last one.
Me too. And then later, because I have lots of squares of paper, I'm gonna do some more because this is really fun.
I know, I can't decide. I want to use all the colors. I have to do more.
We can all finish up. Oh, that looks nice. So here's my finished one.
Yeah, let's all unfold them and look at them together.
Yes. Nice, Peggy. I love your colors.
Thank you.
That looks great.
Here's mine.
Nice.
Beautiful, Haley.
Over crinkled, but
No.
There's no right or wrong, Haley. It looks great.
Great, this was fun.
Really fun. I love it.
Wow.
Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed it also, and you can try it later.
And if you'd like to see some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
All right,
Bye.
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 Have fun.